Hey there, salsa lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to make a delicious and spicy mean green chili pepper salsa. This recipe is perfect for adding a kick to your favorite dishes or enjoying with some crunchy tortilla chips. So, let's get started. Here's what you'll need to make this flavorful salsa. Minus 1 pound green chili peppers, such as jalapenos or serranos, 1 medium onion, chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. Half cup fresh cilantro, chopped. 1 lime, juiced. Salt and pepper, to taste. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Place the green chili peppers on a baking sheet and roast them for 15 to 20 minutes, turning occasionally, until they're slightly charred and softened. Once they're done, let them cool for a few minutes. For a milder salsa, you can remove the skins and seeds from the roasted chili peppers. To do this, simply peel off the skins and cut the peppers open to remove the seeds. If you prefer a spicier salsa, you can skip this step. Next, roughly chop the roasted chili peppers and set them aside. In a pan over medium heat, sauté the chopped onion and minced garlic until they're soft and fragrant, about 5 minutes. Now, in a blender or food processor, combine the chopped chili peppers, sautéed onion and garlic, fresh cilantro, and lime juice. Pulse until you reach your desired consistency, whether you prefer a chunky or smooth salsa. Finally, season your mean green chili pepper salsa with salt and pepper to taste. Transfer the salsa to a serving bowl and enjoy it with your favorite dishes or some tortilla chips. And there you have it, a delicious and spicy mean green salsa. Thanks for watching another how to. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more how-tos.